seen a variety of steady rests out there, but this one caught my eye, and this is a self-centering hydraulic steady rest from SMW Autoblok. Darren, you've just invested in this. Why?
Well, when we bought the machine, I knew I wanted a steady rest. We were planning on doing longer, slender parts. CMZ supplied the steady rest with the machine package. They only offer SMW Autoblok because they know it works and it's a quality product.
And does it?
Yeah, we've had no problems. It's rigid, does a great job.
And so tell me about the pros to this, because it's self-centering.
Yeah.
So is it easy to use, and does it do it all by itself?
Yeah, once it's set up on the casting, it's an M code or a button and it will close itself. It doesn't need to be adjusted for different diameters that you would find on a manual steady. It's there, it does what we need it to do. It's easy to use. And
any of the parts, can you showcase some of the parts that you're using and what the benefits are of it that you're using on the CMZ?
Well, these are very simple construction equipment pins. Because of the length and the amount we have to turn, we have to hold it in a steady rest to machine to length. Then we hold it with a tail stock, open the steady, and we can machine the outsides. It's all done in cycle.
So can you use it manually as well as through the control system?
Yeah, there's open and close buttons on the control that do it manually, or you can fire it with an M code.
So as easy as that. Would you recommend it to others, and why?
Yeah, good quality, rugged piece of gear. More than happy to suggest that people should look at these.